everyone, this is Anita. Welcome back to Guide to PNC System. Let's understand preemption transaction today. Preemption is an event that occurs when two or more transactions or jobs are created from the same base policy period. It means that one policy transaction takes priority over another transaction that is already in progress, and both were created during the same policy term. This mostly happens with policy change transactions. Why does preemption occur? In real life scenario, insurance work is not linear. For example, a user might start a policy change and leave it in draft. Before completing that draft, another important change might come up. Let's understand this with a simple example. First, a new policy is created and bound with an effective date of August 17th, 2025. Everything is fine so far. Next, the user starts a policy change and adds new coverage effective August 20th, but leaves that transaction in draft and doesn't complete it. Because it's still in draft, those changes are not effective on the policy yet. Now, before finishing that draft change, the user creates another policy change to add an additional insured effective August 25th. This second change is completed and bound. At this point, an event is triggered called preemption. Guidewire recognizes that there is already a draft transaction in progress. Because the new transaction is bound, it takes priority over the earlier draft transaction, that is preemption. The second transaction preempts the first in progress change transaction. To handle this situation, Guidewire provides a handle preemption functionality so the user can decide whether to keep the changes from the previous draft or discard them. Based on the user's choice, the draft changes are either merged into the bound transaction or removed. That is all about preemption transactions. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Guide to PNC System. Thanks for watching.